One of the most powerful but confusing things about Thinkorswim is that there are usually multiple ways to access the same feature. Understanding these different paths is essential because depending on your screen size, chart layout, or what gadget you're working with, some icons might not be visible while others are. Let's use accessing the Studies menu as an example. Method 1. Direct icon. Look for the beaker icon at the top of your chart. Click it, and you go straight to Edit Studies. This is the fastest method when the icon is visible. Method 2. Drop-down menu. There's a beaker icon with a small down arrow next to it. Click that, and you'll see a drop-down menu with all study-related options, including Edit Studies, Add Study, and more. Method 3. Chart menu. See the 3-bar hamburger icon at the far right of the chart bar? Click that to open the complete chart menu. From there, go to Studies, then Edit Studies. It's in the submenu near the top of the list. Method 4. Right-click. Right-click anywhere on the chart itself to open the same complete menu, but the order is reversed. The submenus will be near the bottom of this menu instead of the top. When you're working with multiple charts in a flex grid, some might be sized smaller than others. A small chart might not show all the icons on the chart bar. You might only see the symbol field, time frame, and hamburger menu. Knowing the alternate paths means you can always get where you need to go regardless of chart size. The same principle applies throughout Thinkorswim. There's usually an icon shortcut, a drop-down menu, or a right-click menu that all lead to the same destination. If you don't see the icon you need, look for the 3-bar menu or try right-clicking.